Alright, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the names, I'm myself, Junior Nelson, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, year 2, Makerere University, taking you through a presentation of the handwritten text symbol recognition. First of all, this is my AI project that I'm working on, whereby we are going to recognize handwritten text. The machine is going to scan it and then convert it into readable machine text such that it's able to identify who the problem is. So the contents of the presentation, there will be the real life problem, the environment and agents, data set, informed research and the uninformed research, then AI accountability. With the real life problem, as I've said, that it's the handwritten text symbol recognition, whereby the data set I'm using is the total text data sets, which I obtained from my Kaggle account. So the environment in this case that I'm using, first of all, you need to know what am I meaning by the environment. This is what the model, this is what my AI model is going to interact with. Like the AI model, I'm calling it an agent, and what it's going to interact with, it's the environment. If I can give you an example, like a robot, if like I program it in a way that it should pick from my laptop. So the environment in which the environment it is interacting with, it's the laptop, and the robot itself, I'm calling it the agent. So with the handwritten text recognition, obviously the environment will be human because the machine will be interacting with human. Then with human, each of the agency's action is divided into episodes. Episodes like if you have ever watched some series movie, those movies are split into episodes. So those splittings of the of the agency's action, like if I get letter A, I identify, then I look at letter B. So those are the episodes I'm talking about. Then an action taken to recognize letter A is independent of letter B. So with the agent, which is the software agent, through scanning of the handwritten text and then converting it to a machine readable text. So the data set here from my Kaggle account, the data set that I'm using is the total text data set, where this is some of its description as per obtained from the my Kaggle account. Like it has over 2,810 files. Given a document, the bounding boxes for them are also provided and were used to train the segmentation step of our model. This is just a simple description obtained from my Kaggle account of that total text data set. So I looking at my model, I need to differ these two terms. There is informed research and then uninformed search. So with informed research, it means that the model that you're training has information about a specific goal. Like if I'm training a model for my project, which will recognize handwritten text, so it will have some information, let's say images of some texts, as simple as that. Then with uninformed search, it is the model you're training does not have additional information about the target goal. With this case, it will not be much applied in my project. So with accountability and how it will be applied. So with accountability, it's all about the ownership of the outcome. Like if I can give you an example, accountability, like in case something wrong has happened to maybe if I'm scanning the handwritten text and the machine fails to recognize the handwritten text, who will be blamed for that? Will it be the model which has been trained, or it will be the environment I'm interacting with, which is human? So these are some of the references to my AI projects as the outcome. Thank you for watching. I kindly request you to subscribe, comment, and share these videos such that we can explore more, discover the knowledge. Thank you.